Baba Ijesha saga, all you need to know about the bill. Trouble in paradise as Mercy Ayebe cries out and begs her husband to sign divorce papers. Big Brother Naija reunion, unimaginable moments. Hello my favorite people, I wanna welcome back to my channel. If una dey new, wanna welcome. If una dey old, wanna super duper welcome. Alright, if una help me check below, when I will see the subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright, my correct people, then so the first news so I get for one today now about Baba Ijesha. That is one thing, no. Oh, don't they think how he go dance as Zonto for prison? At least may I clear small, but yeah, there's always a second chance. As about God, they give us second chance. Now, so we human beings too, they follow give second chance, including the judges. Alright, my correct people, them so they don't grant them bail of 2 million naira. So yesterday there were clips of him going to court.
Sorry.
See, I wear clothes, cover face masks, you know. If you see I go no say fear don't really grab him, fear don't hold him, don't give a hug. She is the one see princess. Oh my god, many people go down. They're curious like to hear the judgment, but at the end of the day, they're gonna grant him bail of 2 million naira. Oh my god, you can see the joy on his face after the case. But they say they will detain him, you know, you go bring a bit 3 shorties, yeah. One person from a family, one lawyer, and one other with you, I don't know. So you go sit there for detention till, you know, he meet up with the jail terms. Alright, so my correct people, them well. I don't know whether not to congratulate him. Yeah, of course, we can just congratulate him and make him carry something. Time John Thomas well. Says in John Thomas we want end in career, end in life. And even the scandal self is just on another level. May it better do something about it, because some of those kind of characters now addiction, serious heavy addiction. We be say you go even surprise say even person we don't even go through this kind of thing now. If you go back, go do am again. Yes, sometimes say na cause. When it come because at that time na wahala don't wear serious cover shoe. We get healed. I say wahala go the waka. Koi. Alright, my correct people, them say I pray may no be cause so. Because if it because in fact, even if it because there's nothing God cannot do, he should look for a way and break the cause. If it's an addiction, he should go to rehab or whatever. I may just try. But this kind of thing not happen again, because I believe say this girl no be in first victim. And of course, if you look the case, you will not say yes, it was fair enough, because that video where they do, you know, when they touch the girl, you know, enter her puna, you know, force her and all, and that's the only thing they have. The other one way happen in the past, no evidence, no nothing about it. So court no feel work with something where no get evidence. So yeah, if you look the judgment, you're gonna say yes, the judgment was fair enough, you know, on both parties. So many people carry and learn, you know, some things where they happen to other people. Now for us to carry and learn, you know, but when they happen to you before you learn. Alright, so my correct people, no be small thing you. So Mr. You better don't carry cry come inside social media. She carry cry, you know, go for interview, which may get with Punch newspaper. So I beg me they tell her husband make it free her. Oh, he said the man don't refuse to divorce her. No be small thing, no. See me, marriage is now by force. Although they say now for better, for a worse. Hey, women where they always run. I want court marriage. Now you don't hope for nego. Hey, wahala. Hey, yeah. But so make the man just divorce am now. The even Bible, that same Bible does say, can two work together? I say two cannot work together unless they agree. So make the man leave her, make she go her way, so that she go fit, you know. She said she won't marry. Mercy is desperate for this divorce because it be like saying that waiting they hold her, you know. And if they say she knows, sometimes you just keep them to yourself, because when they talk like that, the other party will want you and punish you. She just say, eh, oh, that be like say very soon she go marry, oh, that God don't give her her own. Oh, she always talk things like that. So everybody knows that turn bad pass. A third man is loading, like loading. If they load, it don't reach like, let me say 80%. So the remaining 20% now Lanre to doing work, you know, to sign the divorce paper so that Mercy can go ahead. And Lanre here, Mercy ex-husband, don't hold hand for that one, so that if Mercy take any step in, go sue her for bigamy, which is a very, very, you know, my correct people, them people when we be learned colleague. Is there no other way Mercy fit get out of this thing? I go call and trap, I go call and waiting. When I will be learning corrects them. Is there no other way she feel? If the man no sign, I think there should be something, you know, that the court will have to do. She cannot remain like that for the rest of her life. Come on. All right, my cry people them. So she don't carry cry. Make I show now waiting. She writes for the Punch newspaper. All right, according to her interview with Punch newspaper, she talks, say, quote me, Lanre Gentry is a pathetic liar. He is an unrepentant liar. Does he think people are dumb? How is it possible for me to take him to 5 courts? How? Why did we go to 5 courts? Everyone should appeal to him to sign the divorce papers. He has refused to accept them. We are still married and not yet divorced. The divorce is not yet finalized. Maybe I should use this medium to appeal. You guys should help me. Beg him to let me go. He has the belief from the court. Went to his place several times. We had to appeal to the court so that we can be allowed to paste the court's document on his gate. I do not know the procedure they call it. The case is still in court. Before the court went on strike, this man refused to appear in court. So all that he was telling you are lies. All these things that I am telling you are what can be investigated. We are still legally married. This man refused to sign the divorce papers and he has refused to appear in court. I don't know the legal term for this, but my lawyer had to appeal to the court for them to permit us to paste the papers on his gate. That is why what they did to him. 4 appearances and this man refused to show up before the court went on strike. Now that the court have resumed, the case is back to court. He has refused to even show up. No be small thing, no, my correct people them. I still want shook mouth for Big Brother, Union, Matthias, and all. How it takes Shelley yesterday night, although I couldn't watch it yesterday night, I watched it this morning. Because me and sleep, we just embrace ourselves, and so we just vanilla go. So I slept very early yesterday because this morning I needed to leave the house. Alright, so my correct people them. Now so the level take BO Big Brother reunion was Bose, Lucy versus Katrina, Lucy again versus Kaisha, then Katrina versus Tochi versus Lucy. Like, oh my god, wahala wekwash. Okay, so yesterday reunion was practically about why Katrina blocked people out of when she come off her house, and also she said that she was expecting that they will be close, this one will happen, but she was not getting that energy, so she felt everybody was just on their own. So some of them they consider that as they go Nengi birthday, and that one nice kata Katrina dada, and she said, "Baby, una go, you cannot be friends with me, be friends with my enemy." Some people they do like that, they want you to inherit their enemies, which is very, 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 very wrong. wrong, very very wrong. Like, you know, if you go they make enemies everywhere and you expect me to come inherit enemies. You know, give me money, you know, give me car, you know, give me fancy things of life. Now enemies we go carry me go hell. Now you want me go inherit because I say me and you we dey do friendship. I beg, just I go just tell me carry that friendship, go back on one side. I don't need them. So many people are like that. Once they say them and this person, they know they cool, they will expect you say, may you and that person to begin the digger them, which is not right, which is totally wrong. So now waiting then I've been saying, me realize that they go Nengi birthday and I make Katrina block them. You get person where say Katrina blocked her even before the birthday. So Katrina's open up to Lucy, said for her own she felt that Lucy was not committed to the relationship. Then Lucy says, see me say wahala be your husband. Ha, relationship now, marriage is me and you they do where you they find that kind of commitment. So the thing too, because she said that Lucy been they talk some things about Nengi, nice small time she and Nengi they don't come they close and all. So Lucy can't say she never, that all it happened between she and Nengi ended in the house, and when she came out she just allowed the sleeping dog to lie. Even when she been get interview where they been asked her something about Nengi and Erica, she can say they don't see Nengi for physical and all that. So now just the level be that more time Tochi and Katrina na there too we can share we Tochi say Katrina make him be depressed. I think, yeah, that's not the right word, but he made him that she made him feel bad about himself and all that she would give other people food, she no go give him. But Katrina said been they giving her. He said even when you they give me this and that one, they just come they like come tell and say she be boss lady way they for high horse. Make she come down from her high horse. Say the horse no even high self. That Tochi get mouth he get mouth like say tomorrow no day. So the way they even take tackle Watoni that day, now first begin the cut cap for. I don't say that guy get mouth like this. So now he can become Lucy versus Kaisha. We they come they talk. Kaisha say that the mother be want take picture with Katrina. Katrina say may they come her house. Katrina say she be no hear well. She hear something like manager because they were in the party. She didn't hear well. Then Lucy can defend Katrina. Say yes, that even that time I think Katrina been there happy that. So now they come they talk. Now Lucy they try to like one or two. Then Kaisha just they provoke certainly she carry a pillow stone Lucy. Now Lucy ma come out to go fight them. They no gree show us that part, but no say the fighting go shell away because Lucy head they hot, Kaisha head they hot. So we for try leave us more watch the wrestling, but yeah, they no allow us more watch no everything you official for national TV. No. All right, so my correct people, so now so the thing shell, you know, the things will happen outside the house after the show, and that one where they shook my put. So Katrina talk her belly, other people to follow talk how they feel. Then praise does say one way not say with Katrina, you know, say Katrina they like say even though they talk to this person, may you to not talk to that person. So now so we now waiting notice for where Katrina did. All right, so my correct people, them at this point I want draw cotton. Now thank you so much for watching. Mona stay beautiful. Mona bye.